In my pedia clinic, I see lots of children with asthma, which is chest allergy. They often come with only one symptom, that's coughing during the day and often at night. And that makes them very uncomfortable. If I show you here, this is the air pipe of a child that doesn't have asthma, and you see how normal it is and wide open to breathe. And this is the one for a child that has asthma. You see it's inflamed, the wall is thick, it's narrow, difficulty to breathe, and lots of secretions. So that can make the child very uncomfortable, tired. If your child has any of these symptoms, it's better to see a pediatrician who's experienced, in asthma, who can work with you with the proper treatment and talk to you about prevention.